but I like to use this sand right here. The same thing. What happened over time, the wax gonna get into the sand. Then you can clean with your brush, or this kind of sandpaper right here. You can actually also remove it and get a new part right there. So you got a brand new sand. So then we're gonna just finish our inside, make it really smooth. What we're gonna do it when we do this finish right here, when we finish the ring, after we cast it, we're gonna have less things to do, less material to remove it. This I think is a good shape right there, and then I'm gonna do again my comfort fit. Just gonna break the edge, inside edge of the ring, and make a comfort fit. There is no a minimal or a max on this one right here. I just like to make a comfort fit rings. If you don't like it, you don't have to do it. I think it's pretty much what I like right there for an inside. So
Megan's asking, what if you break the wax? Is there a way to save it?
yes, there is a way to save